Scrambler, you got a body. You got the body.
Alright guys, we're here with the bike. We're gonna finally open it up. The lady's a little bit camera shy, so you're gonna see me. You guys don't get to see me much. All you see is the camera right there. So, hey Electric Life, it's me, Chris, the rider. Anyways, let's do this. The lady was like, don't. Oh, almost got her right there. Don't open it without me. So, you know, here we go. So there's one, two. It was shipped pretty good, guys. You can see got a little bit beat up on the sides, but that's like basic wear and tear, I would say. Alright. Come check it out, huh? Wow. Pretty nice, guys. You guys did a great job shipping. Pretty easy to kind of to do that. Everything's kind of perfectly placed. Like this cardboard's placed. This is great. Boom, boom. This guy in the back. Super73, good job, guys. Shipping that. Smell that? It smells new. It smells like a new bike. Look at that. Look at that, honey. Look at your colors. Look at your DLC. Alright guys, we're probably gonna just sit here and look at this. I'm gonna give my wife her moment alone with the bike. She didn't want everything to kind of be documented, but we'll come back to you in a second. Guys, we're just like, you know, licking our chops at it. So what I wanted to point out is it comes shipped with the rear wheel and the front wheel shipped. And I mean, already put on there. That's really cool. My juice scrambler, I think we had to put on the front wheel. Anyway, not a big deal, but hey, if you're worried about stuff, it's the only thing you got to put on is a handlebar. So that should be a piece of cake. Oh, and it looks like down here, we got to put on the foot pedals. So that's cool. So anyways, great job shipping. Looks beautiful. Let's take it out right now and rock and roll. All right, guys, we're just going to show you what came in the box. So I just want to give you the preview here. And, empty. All right, so here's one of the little boxes you'll find. Power adapter. Boom, boom. Bam. Very cool. Hey guys, so it looks like we got a little manual, and we got this guy. The wife will say she's disappointed. No stickers. No stickers, Super73. If you guys.
I don't put that part.
All right, guys. We took off some of this here, and beautiful. I don't know if this is wave 2. Obviously our lighting's bad, but a lot darker green, and the lady's happy about that. She was worried about neon or coming out kind of lime green. So anyways, one thing I'm gonna say is you'll snip off the headphones, and it's kind of, or the handlebars, and it's got the cables on here. So before you do that, make sure you get the bolts out that you're gonna need to you know, all the accessories. Obviously the bolts are right here, but just unscrew this and take the accessory pack out so you got everything ready to go. Cool. So in the box, we got a little instruction manual and the pedals, and looks like some little adapters and everything else. So now we're gonna start the process of the handlebars and everything, pedals, and finish this up. I stole it. She's away. Pretty cool. I'm a little tall.
Oh God, what are you doing?
Sorry. Nothing like getting your first ones in the kitchen and living room, huh?
Oh God, this is horrible actually. Like getting your first ones in the kitchen and living room.
Alright. 11 o'clock, kitchen, preview. I think it's pretty cool. Wife's digging it. It's super light compared to my scrambler. So I can see why this 500 watt motor actually up to like 20, 25 can keep up with the scrambler. From what I saw, at least with a lighter rider who was with me. I'm 205, 210 with gear. So anyways, bike is super clean, pretty beautiful. Yeah, I think we're thumbs up, and hopefully we'll get a ride in ASAP. All right, it's the day after. We got everything set up. It was a late night last night. Bike was sent awesomely, guys. The packing is awesome from Super73. Not really a scratch on anything. So all you gotta do is put the handlebars on, put some pedals on, you're ready to roll. So I'm gonna get the charge on this thing going, and yeah, me and my lady will be going for our first ride pretty soon. So anyways, kinda cool. Super73 in the house.